Gigapixel versus Magnific AI upscalers. Choosing the right AI upscaler can completely change how you enhance your images without losing quality or detail. Both Gigapixel and Magnific offer powerful tools for image upscaling, but which fits your needs best? Gigapixel and Magnific are AI-driven image upscalers designed to improve resolution and detail. The core difference lies in their technology focus. Gigapixel emphasizes advanced machine learning models, while Magnific balances speed and ease of use with solid enhancement quality. Gigapixel, developed by Topaz Labs, is an AI upscaling software that uses deep learning to increase image resolution while preserving fine details and textures. It analyzes images at a pixel level, reconstructing missing details intelligently, which makes it ideal for photographers and professionals needing high-quality enlargements. Gigapixel supports batch processing and multiple output formats, enhancing workflow efficiency. Its strengths include exceptional detail preservation and noise reduction, making it suitable for enlarging old photos or low-res images without artifacts. However, Gigapixel requires a relatively powerful GPU for optimal performance and can be slower on less capable hardware. The software is best for users who prioritize image quality above speed and are comfortable with a slightly steeper learning curve to access its advanced features. Magnific is an AI upscaling tool focused on delivering fast and user-friendly image enhancement. It leverages efficient neural networks to upscale images quickly, making it ideal for users who need rapid results with minimal setup. Magnific offers a streamlined interface and integrates easily into various workflows, appealing to casual users and content creators who want quality improvements without complexity. While it may not match Gigapixel's level of detail reconstruction or noise handling, Magnific provides solid upscaling performance with fewer hardware demands. Its strengths include speed, simplicity, and accessibility, making it a great choice for social media images, quick edits, or projects where turnaround time is critical. Limitations include less fine detail recovery and fewer customization options compared to Gigapixel. Magnific suits users who value convenience and speed over the absolute highest image fidelity. Gigapixel and Magnific serve different needs in real-world scenarios. Gigapixel excels when quality is paramount, such as restoring old photographs, professional prints, or detailed artwork, thanks to its advanced AR models and noise reduction. However, it requires more powerful hardware and longer processing times. Magnific shines in fast-paced environments like social media content creation or quick client previews, where speed and ease of use outweigh the need for perfect detail. The trade-off is that Magnific may miss subtle textures and produce softer results. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize ultimate image quality or rapid hassle-free enhancement. Both tools improve image resolution beyond traditional methods, but their strengths cater to distinct workflows and user expertise levels. Choose Gigapixel if you need top-tier image quality, detailed enhancement, and don't mind longer processing times on robust hardware. Magnific is recommended for users seeking fast, straightforward upscaling with good quality and minimal setup. For quick projects or less powerful systems, it offers an efficient solution without sacrificing ease of use. Select the tool that best fits your workflow and quality demands.